Hi lovelies, another year, another vision board. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Hadasa Amina, and on today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make these vision boards. You are there and you don't have a vision board because of privacy purposes. I don't know, you don't know what to do. I'm here for you guys with just one app. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go about it. So first thing first is to make sure that you have a Pinterest app. So with this Pinterest app, you can make a notebook vision board whereby you feel like you are many in the same house and you don't have privacy, whereby you can stick the normal vision board stroke prayer board. So this is where I'm going to show you how to do everything on your notebook, and then the other one is to have a soft copy vision board. That is where you will save it. You'll have everything and save it on the Pinterest app as a soft copy vision board. And then the other one is definitely how to compile everything, photos, and then stick them on the normal vision board. So let's jump into it. So first thing first, as you've seen me, I was searching. So in your search, as I told you in the other video that I was telling you about how to come up with outfits with what you have in the wardrobe, you do if you can remember, I told you you need to be so clear and so specific with the search. So for me here, go there and search vision board, grid vision photos vision board, or a compiled vision board, and then you'll find such an example. Okay, yeah. So for me here, maybe you want to add something, you will go search it, maybe graduation, that's what you're praying for, graduation. You'll see, like for example, I've seen this photo. You can come nowadays it's very easy with Pinterest. You cut the photo and then you come, you drag it, you drag it to the already place, to the area that you want to paste it. If for example for me, I had already found this already compiled vision board for me, so I'll come and attach it anywhere that I want. And with this one, the ones that Pinterest are giving us out there, you can move. Yeah, you can move any photo, you can change, you can drag it out, you can decide which one to come up and which one to go down, which one to delete, which one not to delete. Yeah, so as I'm showing you right now, for example, I was searching this happy, healthy, and all that, and I wanted to find it a place. So I decided I wanted to show you how you can delete. This is just an example how you can delete one. I dragged that one down there, and then I'll come and put this one here. Like that. So it's very easy. If that compilation has something that you've already achieved, you just drag it out and then you delete it, and then you find something else, you come and you put it there. Are we together? Yeah. And then that is the same way that you can write what you want to write on top of that photo and everything, or on top of that grid that you have over there. And then the other thing is to, now this I'm showing you, is to make a soft copy prayer board, right? This is where you're going to save it on your Pinterest, right? Yeah, so you want that privacy, that no one should see it. You don't want a hard copy vision board, so you're gonna save it on the Pinterest. Nowadays they have already created that part whereby you can save the photos. When you're saving the photos, it will bring you to the save normal or save to the manifesting vision board, or also you can create your own headline or topic, right? So this is me saving. You can see there is something called manifesting vision board. That is from Pinterest, not me. They created that topic for me because they know people are doing like that. So you see, I have already, now for me, I created one for protected boards. That is mine, whereby you can create your own topic, and then up there is theirs. Okay, so now let me show you how to add some other things maybe that you're praying for. For example, growing spiritually. Just be straight and be specific with the search that you're looking for, and then you save it now to the manifesting vision board. You can change the heading. You write your own heading. Okay, yeah, so you save it now. Maybe you're manifesting or you're praying to travel a lot this year. You go there and save the photo on the manifesting. You save literally everything that you want, and then you can also archive your vision board, whereby no one else can see it, or you can also not see it, but you can unarchive it if you want to. So if you are comfortable with what you've got, you can archive your vision board. So after doing this, now you've found your favorite photos, you've found what you're looking for, and you want now to do the notebook vision board. Just download the photos. You go to the photos as well. This is where I'm showing you can archive the photos and everything. Yeah, so you just go to the photos, and you save the photo. You download the photo the normal way, and then the photos, they will come to your gallery. So this, after you have graded everything, you have searched for the already graded or combined photos on Pinterest. This is where you're just avoiding to do it on yourself or to do it on your own. So you just download the already compiled photos or visions that you want to pray for. Okay, yeah, so you can arrange, you can drag and exchange and arrange or delete or do anything that you want to do. That is the best thing right now about now having the soft copy vision board on Pinterest, right? Yeah, so it's very easy, it's very simple. Now you can collage it on your own. You can do a lot of stuff here. So after that, you download the photos, you come and you stick them on your notebook. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is. Okay, this me still showing you how you can add some other photos. For example, you had already created your manifesting vision board. As you can see, you can also go back and add some other dreams, some other prayer points that you have, or prayer board points that you need to add on your already existing vision board. So for example, I came across this one. So you see, you can download such an amazing compiled vision board. After downloading like this one, you don't have to go, I don't know, to Canva to do what. You just download it, you print it, and then you stick it on your notebook. It's just as easy as ABC. And then you can also do that to also stick on the normal vision board. You see, it's very simple. You just go, you press on the three dots there. It will bring you an option for downloading. You download. After downloading, you print. After printing, you just stick it on your notebook or your normal vision board. If you don't want soft copy or hard copy vision boards, just save it to your Pinterest soft copy vision board. I hope guys you're understanding what I'm saying to you or what I'm telling you. And then another thing is that you can change. You see these numbers, the 2025 77, I don't know what all those, you can change and you put what you want. If you don't want, I don't know, your lucky numbers, the year, you can change it and you can write anything that you want to write. As you can see there, I was trying to write, you can write everything. Yeah, you can do literally everything that you want. You can change everything, you can copy, you can paste, you can do, and you can create it to your likings. So it is just simple like that, guys. Yeah, and that is how simple it is to create these vision boards. And yeah guys, so these are sign for you to try to make your own vision board this year. This is exactly 31st of 2024, and make sure that you've created your own vision board. You see the magic, you see the miracle. Yeah, for those who praise for their prayers a vision board, you can also create it like this. For manifesting vision board, you create them like this. So yeah, it's very easy, very simple. Don't go to 2025 without your own prayer board stroke vision board. Okay, yeah, so that was really it from A. And just make sure that you are so direct with the search point. You know what you want right now, you know what you're praying for and what you're working for, but you have to pray for it spiritually first. You have to have it spiritually before it comes physically, right? Yeah, so you're gonna try it. I hope you're gonna try it, and yeah, let's try. Oh, let's try, because it's something that it really works. Yeah, and that was my video today. That is it today, guys. Hopefully, and I hope that you're gonna try and make your own vision board. You don't have an excuse right now. You don't say that I don't have privacy now. You're gonna try it either with notebook or a soft copy vision board. That was it for me today, guys. Bye, and I love you so much.